Hello, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to block someone on Skype. The first thing I'd like you to do is to launch a Skype application, which of course I have done right here. The next thing I'd like you to know is that Skype is a proprietary telecommunications application that allows you to keep in touch with free video chat, messaging, and affordable calls. You can create instant online video calls with one click, no download required. So now that we know a bit of what Skype is about, let's quickly hop into today's text, which is how to block someone on Skype. Let's say you're having a conversation with somebody and the person just got on your nerves and you just want to block the person because the person is just saying things that are actually in sync with what you want. Here's how you can block the person. Or let's say somebody reached out to you with no respect out of the blues and you just want to get rid of the person. Here is exactly how you can block the person on Skype. So let's say this is the person, and we're having a conversation, and I want to block. So go ahead and select the person's name. Okay, so go ahead and select the person's name from the top left corner of your screen. So select the person's name. It's going to open up to this window. So now you have the option to say send message, start call. You even have start video calls, the private conversation, schedule a call, share contact, and create new group. Now you see there's no option for you to block the content here, but I'm going to show you where you can block the content. So when you have this pencil icon, please click on this pencil icon right next to the person's name, and it's going to take you right into this window. So this is the person's name. You have the option of renaming the person to a name that suits you. But then the most important feature is the remove from content list and block. Oh my God, just go ahead and click on block contact and this person is going to be blocked. So select block contact and you will no longer have the person in your space. So that's pretty much the process. Block contact, person blocked. You can go by this tutorial from top to bottom to get acquainted with the steps. And of course, once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope this video marvelously helped your search.